Tac-Force and Master Cutlery. This is TF-740FD. That is the fire department model. It also comes in an EM model and an SH model. You can see it has a glass breaker there for rescue with a lanyard hole, as well as a strap cutter built into the pommel. Open pillar construction, attractive bolster there. Also attractive texture pattern and gives you added grip. Deployment is via an index finger flipper or dual thumb studs. And it does have an assisted opening mechanism just for fast and easy deployment. Stainless steel blade with a combination edge. Liner lock locking mechanism with a strong lockup there. But yet easy to disengage. That assisted mechanism, quite useful. Has a thumb ramp with jimping there. Alright, this could be used to pierce, to pry, to draw cut, to saw with the serrations. And with that pommel, the glass breaker and cutter, really a multi-purpose tool. Excellent functional little utility blade from Tac-Force.